Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cartoon Network on Apple TV step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Apple TV. Navigate to the App Store from your home screen. In the search bar, type Cartoon Network. Select the Cartoon Network app from the search results. Click on the Get button to start downloading the app. Once downloaded, open the Cartoon Network app. You will see the option to log in or activate your device. Choose the option that prompts you to activate your device. A unique activation code will appear on the screen. Take note of this activation code. Now, grab your smartphone or computer. Open a web browser and go to the activation website provided. Enter the activation code in the designated field. Click Submit to confirm the activation. You may need to sign in with your cable provider credentials. Once you successfully log in, return to your Apple TV. The Cartoon Network app will refresh. You should now have access to all available content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on Cartoon Network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.